morning. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So it's 6:30 in the morning. I had a plan to wake up more early in the morning, but it couldn't be. I'll just show you how it looks. This is what the view from my balcony, not balcony, from my window actually. Is Darjeeling is commercialized, okay? So you'd be finding businesses, commercial stuffs everywhere, but that authentic, वो पहाड़ी वाला feeling, you might miss that. You might miss that being for very obvious reason because it is commercialized. हर जगह पे रश रहेगा, but this is one thing I can assure you that if you're coming to this place, वो आपको वो रशनेस नहीं मिलेगा. Like people are calm, people are composed, they are helping. I'm not saying that वहाँ के लोग ऐसे नहीं होंगे, but yeah, you should always give it a try to visit this place because this place is absolutely beautiful. I don't know how to show it. Let me just give you a small view from where I'm vlogging. Yesterday, like after checking into the hotel, I was thinking like I might like catch hold of fever. मुझे लग रहा था कि ठंडा होगा मुझे because वैसा गला थोड़ा होता है ना, like ठंडा होने से पहले गला थोड़ा खराश होता है. मुझे लग रहा था वो होगा, but luckily वैसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. मैं कब से बाहर घूम रहा हूँ and nobody knows कि मैं उठ के बाहर आ गया था. Always sleeping at that point of time. Let me go them and at least wake them up. ऑल तो सब उठे हैं, पर वही होता है ना, सब आलसी हैं, सब बेड पे ही पड़े हैं. नील शायद ही वो मेरे से पहले भी उठ गया था नील. This is the place I was talking to you before, this Margaret's Tech, and I'll just show you something. Come on. I think this is one of the coolest places I've ever been to. This is amazing. It's a kind of cafe which is like hanging on the mountains. But I'm sure you won't be feeling that. Like you cannot feel that aura unless you come to this place. It's amazing. It's literally amazing. So आगे चलते हैं. I'll actually show you. It's an amazing place to be in. You can come up with your friends, you can come up with your families, you can have foods over here. This place basically, like when you travel to Darjeeling, you have to like cross Song, and then when you go to Darjeeling, this place comes in. I don't know, it's amazing. This is amazing. Okay. Can you just see this? Like, just imagine you'll be having a cup of tea with your best buddies of your life. My God, it seems like it's a road to heaven. Trust me, I don't know if you can feel that how it would be being here, but it's amazing. It's just amazing. I know you. कुछ ऑर्डर किया क्या?
Not yet.
We're having some cool teas out here. Like I don't know how you're gonna taste because this is a kind of tea where like tasting it for the first time. But you're like देख के लग रहा है कि बहुत सही होगा obviously. Neil is excited. वो बोल रहा था कि 2 पैकेट यहीं से ले जाएगा घर के लिए. आंटी को फ़ोन करके पूछ रहा था कि आंटी मॉम शुड आई टेक. For coming to this trip, we were expecting a bad thing, that is rain. That didn't happen, but there is another bad thing happened, that is traffic. I think, I don't know किस लिए हो रहा है. I think you can see at the top एक मंदिर है वहाँ पे, and I am just assuming कि उस मंदिर के चलते like जाम लगा है. Like एक लेन जा रहा है वहाँ से एंड वी आर ऑन द अनफॉर्चुनेट लेन। व्हाट वी डिड इज हम लोग ऊपर चले गए थे वहाँ उस तरफ, तो एक्चुअली हम लोग को जाना है नीचे, यहाँ पे हम लोग का रूम तो इस तरफ है। सो तुस्नीम एंड तोशा वो आगे से यूटर्न मार के आ रहे हैं, मैं एंड नील वी आर गोइंग टू द रूम दिस साइड। नील भैया पूछ ले एक बार वो किधर है, फ़ोन किया था क्या होटल वाले को? आई थिंक द रीज़न यहाँ के लोग दे हैव अ वेरी गुड फिजिक जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अपहिल एंड डाउनहिल। तो अगर दिन में कोई अगर 2 किलोमीटर भी चलता है ना यहाँ पे, इट्स नॉट इवन रनिंग, इफ जस्ट वॉक फॉर 2 kilometers or 1.5 kilometers every day, like you can cut down your like extra fats. पता नहीं हम लोग कभी आर जस्ट डूइंग। भाई मत ले लाइक हम लोग को जो रूम मिला है दैट्स ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर। बहुत सही रूम है, आई नो यू लव इट। There are plenty of paintings, wall hangings in the room. कहाँ जा रहा है बे? वॉशरूम? Oh, amazing, amazing. This is one room and दूसरा रूम हम लोग का ये है, this is second room. So अभी के लिए we have all dumped everything on the single room. Yeah. हाँ बोल।
You wanna be ecstatic?
क्या हुआ?
I found the clam.
भाई दे दे भाई प्लीज ये कैसे बिजनेस क्यों कर रहा है बे? कोलैब पे क्या होता है ये? दे पैसा दे। बीवी और सज्जनों ये देखिए, शादी के बाद भी प्यार बरकरार है, जैसे था वैसा है। एंड वी इवन प्रे टू गॉड कि ये ऐसा ही सलामत रहे। हेलो, वी आर गोइंग टू अ जॉय राइड। किस तरफ है? That's a beautiful thing out there. लेकिन मेरे को नहीं दिखा, नील को दिखा। जाना किधर है?
Now we'll go to
इस तरफ
Himalayan Railway.
वो This is, I believe, one of those coolest railway stations Indian Railway has. I'll show you this. And it's very short. Tracks are also different from the normal railway tracks that they have. But you can book it from normal IRCTC site itself. I'm gonna show you those trains. The trains are really cool. These guys are vlogging, taking pictures. Sorry, I just disturbed them a bit. Like, I've been to many hill stations, but and I won't say that this is good or that is good, but every places have its own charm, has its own aroma, you can say, have their own cultures, traditions, have the different foods you can all together. And same goes with Darjeeling also. It's a beautiful place. Like right now, exactly where I'm vlogging from, this is from a railway station. Yeah, it's a railway station, but it's not like the normal railway stations that we have. It's a kind of a different one. You can see tracks are very narrow. So there are two categories of train we have over here. One is the diesel one, which is the cheaper one, and the other is that's an there's a steam one. So steam one is a bit costlier. As I told you, steam one costs 1,600 and the diesel one costs us 1,000. ये किसका पकड़ा है? तोशा का? हाँ हाँ पता नहीं आया होगा ट्रिप। What an amazing view! I'm excited to ride on this. Oh, this is a diesel one, I believe. Oh. Hey, Tushneem! There is one amazing place we have reached. Here the train stopped for 10 minutes, exactly 10 minutes. I'll show you something. The place where we are in is known as Loop of Patasia. So that is, I think, it's in the round thing. Okay, so it's a pretty good thing. Views are amazing. At morning it was not exactly that much cold, but now my hands are a bit freezing. I was checking, it's around 9 degrees right now. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Yeah, I'm enjoying a lot. I'm shivering in cold right now. I would have taken some winter clothes. Like it's there in the room. It's just that I haven't brought it. We had an amazing train ride. This is the train we were having. It's going now. And we are going to the hotel room. So we didn't had a lunch. It's already 4 p.m. We didn't had a lunch. So yeah, we'll be having a lunch.
Subscribe to Clueless Navigation.
हाँ वो ठीक है, पर खाना कहाँ खाएंगे?
अभी है ना पार्सल आपके लिए क्या 4 घंटे पहले
जब 4 घंटे से 3 घंटे पहले। ओके, तो अभी हम लोग का रूम जाने वाला है।
रूम जाने वाला है
ठीक है, फिर वहाँ से क्या
ग्लेनरीज
वहाँ पे कुछ हम लोग को ये बुक करना पड़ेगा क्या, टेबल वगैरह?
नहीं जाके खड़ा होना भाई 6 बजे तक
6 बजे से?
हाँ as early as possible.
ओके, तो वो हम लोग का होटल से ग्लेनरीज का दूर है?
I think half an hour to walk. So I don't think anyone will be up for it. Let's see.
Let's see. So we had parked our car in the hotel and we took a taxi to the Darjeeling station, जहाँ पे जॉयराइड कर रहे थे हम लोग। Returning के टाइम पे we thought like not to take any cabs and just go through this local markets and return. ज़्यादा नहीं, 1.5 किलोमीटर ही चलना है, बट प्रॉब्लम वही अगेन कि हिली एरियाज़ में 1.5 किलोमीटर चलना इज़ लाइक ट्रेकिंग 1.5 किलोमीटर। क्या टायर्ड?
Not at all.
साला अभी हाँ कर रहा था। Not at all.
I can do this all These are the people who act different in front of the camera. I'm the one who's leading. Check out my fitness.
What sickness you have?
Not sickness, fitness.
এমনি মনে হয়। So right now we are going to Glenaries to have a dinner and have some good times. Heard that it's a good place. Let's see. नील को ठंडा नहीं लग रहा है, वो सिर्फ एक स्वेटशर्ट ही पहना है। मैं ग्लोव्स भी पहना हूँ। वो कांप रहा है। सीजन डबल विंटर वेयर, बट नील है, उसको कुछ नहीं लग रहा है। क्या क्या? We'll see that later. No? We are going towards the Glenaries.
Bitch, get out the way.
Come on, yeah, say it. ये सीजन है ना यहाँ आने के लिए? Okay.
This is summer का जो season है। Season है कि 1 महीना बाद और peak season।
हाँ?
Summer vacation.
Okay, and in winter times, is it possible to come?
Yes.
Yeah, why not? Yeah,
If you
winter
love-
time is this is. If you love biting like
Okay, we are almost near the Mall Road.
Okay. I think we have reached Glenaries. I just think, I'm not sure.
hey Ashok,
Huh?
then I found a place for you.
What? You to shoot over here. I don't know what is Glenaries. I heard that it's a very good place for food. It's a bit on the costlier side, but yeah.
Cold.
It's freezing cold. It's freezing cold. कहाँ है? Where is Glenaries?
We can see KFC.
I'm not going KFC.
Me neither. There's some street side momos.
Okay, so this is the place we were searching. It's a walkable distance from the hotel we are staying in. I think probably a kilometer. It's Glenaries. It has got lot of hype. Let's see. Taste the food, taste the ambience, how it is. But hope that it will be fine. लग रहा है कि बहुत अच्छा होगा because बहुत भीड़ है. फाइनली वी आर ग्लेनरीज एंड बिफोर कमिंग टू दिस प्लेस लोग बोल रहे थे कि जल्दी चले जाना, बहुत भीड़ होता है। हमने इतना किसी का ध्यान भी नहीं दिया था कि कोई कुछ बोल रहा है। We were a bit late. We came to here around 6:30 and would you believe 6:30 में ये place भर चुका था। Like now it's around 7 PM and see it's already filled. हमने थोड़ा रिक्वेस्ट किया कि yeah, it's fine. So let's see. Like I don't think like we have good amount of people, well good food and good ambience. Anything else is important. Let's see how it goes. But we are expecting some pretty good food. Let's see.
इसको उल्टा करके one is missing.
What else you need?
And I know it's so hard to say you all good night, but I've been waiting from 6 p.m. And my hands are so tired, my friend. And I want you to sing so I can rest and say एक प्यार का नगमा है, ओ जोगी रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है।
That is beautiful. पूछना कितना मिलेगा क्या? वहाँ पूछना। पूछे देख एक बार। पूछना आइसक्रीम है क्या? कहाँ पे? साइड वाले में? फिएस्टा में? ओके, क्लोज ना। फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड, बहुत ठंडा है। आई थिंक probably around like single degree में होगा टेम्परेचर। It was a good day. If I talk about we came from Oslo, we did the joyride and we had dinner at Limerick, which was like kind of treasure hunt. नहीं मिल रहा था अब लोग को, पता नहीं चल रहा था कि सीट मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा। We had a very good time. As of now, we are searching for ice cream. All of the full people want ice cream because होता है ना कि like winter में भी किसी को ice cream का शौक रहता है। तो मेरा है, नील का है, तोशा का है। But unfortunately, I think we don't think we would get ice cream now as of now. But I think that's a good time to wind up. So tomorrow also we have plans to visit many places. Let's see. We do not have any track on what gonna be the places we will be visiting tomorrow. देखते हैं क्या होता है. But as of now, till it's a goodbye for day 2. Yeah.